This drill that I posted on school in the Tactical Hive group, I'm going to demonstrate it. You need 1 round in 1 magazine, and you're going to load and make ready your rifle. You need 1 round, 1 magazine, load your pistol. On your hip, you have a full magazine of pistol and a full magazine of rifle. You're going to come up, shoot your rifle, bolt lock, transition, shoot, bolt lock or slide lock. Change your magazine here, fire 1 round, keep your pistol in retention, find out what's wrong with your rifle, which you know is bolt lock. Once you find out what's wrong with your rifle, then you can change and get your rifle up into action. Shooter ready, stand by, beep. That's the end of the drill. Now, as a bonus, you can pick up your rifle mag, hold it like so to get set up for the next drill, and just do a combat reload. The same thing with your pistol, combat reload. And now you're set up for the next drill. You've done a bolt lock reload with your rifle, a slide lock reload with your pistol, you've done a transition, and you've done 2 combat reloads, all while manipulating your rifle. Help if I turn my scope down. Shooter ready, stand by. Why do we keep our pistol in retention while we're looking at our rifle? In case we have to shoot again. If the threat hasn't ceased to be the threat, after you thought the threat has ceased to be the threat, you want to be ready to make sure that threat is eliminated. Tack out.